Subscribe to Next Gen Motors for the latest car reviews, expert insights, and future-ready vehicle updates. You're watching one of the most trusted channels for in-depth automotive content, and today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, an updated model that continues to blend practicality with sporty flair. If you're from the USA, UK, or Germany and you're thinking about a compact SUV with modern performance, upgraded tech, and strong fuel economy, stay tuned because this review will cover everything from specs to features and driving impressions. The 2026 Corolla Cross introduces a bolder design language while still retaining the core identity that made its predecessors popular. On the outside, Toyota has refreshed the front fascia with sleeker LED headlamps and a wider grille that gives the SUV a more aggressive and modern look. It's noticeably more aerodynamic with sculpted lines that enhance both style and performance. Depending on the region and trim level, alloy wheel options range from 17 to 19 inches, adding a sporty edge for those who value design as much as function. Ground clearance remains ideal for urban driving and light off-road adventures, striking a balance between everyday comfort and weekend versatility. Under the hood, the 2026 Corolla Cross offers multiple powertrain options tailored for different markets. In the USA, it features a 2.0-liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine paired with a direct shift CVT, delivering around 169 horsepower and smooth, responsive acceleration. The UK and Germany models also offer a hybrid variant with Toyota's latest 5th-generation hybrid technology, significantly improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. The hybrid version combines an electric motor with a refined gasoline engine, producing a combined output of approximately 196 horsepower. This makes it a solid performer for highway cruising and city driving alike, while also aligning with Europe's stricter emission norms. Toyota has also taken steps to improve the driving dynamics of the Corolla Cross. The suspension setup has been fine-tuned for more agile handling without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or tackling longer road trips, the Corolla Cross feels stable and composed. The steering feels more precise than previous models, and the all-wheel drive system available in select trims enhances traction in challenging weather conditions. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 Corolla Cross has received a substantial upgrade in materials and tech integration. Soft touch surfaces, refined upholstery choices, and a more intuitive layout create a comfortable, upscale environment. One of the most noticeable upgrades is the new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that replaces traditional gauges. This is complemented by a large touchscreen infotainment system ranging from 8 to 10.5 inches depending on the trim. The interface is smooth and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto across all regions. The addition of USB-C ports, wireless charging, and cloud-based navigation makes the interior feel as modern as it is functional. In terms of practicality, the 2026 Corolla Cross continues to deliver. There's generous rear legroom and cargo space, with the rear seats folding flat to extend storage for longer items. It remains one of the more spacious options in the compact SUV category, making it a good fit for families, young professionals, and outdoor enthusiasts. Visibility from the driver's seat is excellent, and Toyota has included plenty of small item storage compartments throughout the cabin. Safety is a major highlight in this new model. The Corolla Cross now comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 across all markets. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. In crash tests and reliability scores, Toyota continues to earn high marks, and the Corolla Cross is no exception. Euro NCAP and NHTSA are expected to rate this model highly, reflecting Toyota's long-standing commitment to safety. When it comes to pricing, Toyota has kept things competitive. In the US, pricing starts around $25,000 and climbs to about $33,000 for higher trims with AWD and hybrid options. In the UK, it ranges from approximately £27,000 to £35,000, while in Germany it starts near €29,000 and can reach up to €38,000 depending on options. This pricing structure puts the Corolla Cross in direct competition with the Honda HR-V, Mazda CX-30, VW T-Roc, and Hyundai Kona, offering excellent value for the features and performance it delivers. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is not just an upgrade but a well-rounded evolution of a successful compact SUV. It offers a great mix of style, sportiness, and everyday usability, all backed by Toyota's legendary reliability and resale value. Whether you're in the US seeking a dependable daily driver, in the UK looking for hybrid efficiency, or in Germany needing a smart city SUV with low emissions and advanced safety tech, the Corolla Cross checks all the boxes. This is Next Gen Motors, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Make sure to subscribe for more content on the latest car models, comparisons, and detailed reviews. Like this video if you found it helpful, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on the new Corolla Cross. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.